is in turmoil, streets filled with anger, police and protesters clashing, a nation divided over its past and its future. On Friday, March 28th, violence erupted in Kathmandu as thousands of demonstrators took to the streets, demanding the return of Nepal's monarchy, a monarchy that was abolished in 2008. Supporters of former King Gyanendra Shah are calling for a constitutional monarchy, arguing that Nepal's democracy has failed. They believe that only the return of a king can bring stability back to the country. But the demonstrations turned deadly. According to police reports, 2 people have lost their lives. One protester who was shot and a journalist who was caught in a building set on fire by demonstrators. At least 70 others, including police officers, were injured. In response, the government has imposed curfews in areas of Kathmandu and even deployed the army to regain control. Flights were briefly suspended as protesters moved toward the international airport. But Nepal's leadership is standing firm. Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has rejected any calls to restore the monarchy, saying, "Our constitution does not recognize kings, and no one should dream of reinstating monarchy." He even challenged former King Gyanendra Shah to contest elections if he wants to regain power. Despite the growing frustration, political experts believe the monarchy's return is unlikely. Nepal's constitution would require major amendments, and monarchist parties hold only a handful of seats in the parliament. Nepal's monarchy ruled for nearly 240 years before being abolished in 2008. The turning point was the tragic royal massacre of 2001, when Crown Prince Dipendra killed most of his family, including King Birendra. His uncle Gyanendra Shah took over but was later forced to abdicate. Since then, Nepal has struggled with political instability, corruption, and frequent changes. Many Nepalese now wonder, was abolishing the monarchy a mistake? As Nepal faces a political crossroads, the question remains, will the monarchy return, or is Nepal destined to struggle in its democratic experiments?
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.